Welcome. You're watching Health Innovations Today. Here's a quick look at the developments driving innovation and strategic growth across the global healthcare sector. Teva Pharmaceutical Industries and Sanofi report durable Phase 2b maintenance data for the investigational drug duvaketug. In the RELIEVE study, this TL1A targeting antibody demonstrated sustained clinical remission for up to 44 weeks. The therapy was well tolerated, with a safety profile consistent with earlier findings, reinforcing its potential for chronic treatment. Both companies are now advancing duvaketug into ongoing Phase 3 clinical programs as they work toward expanded patient access. Pharma implements advanced artificial intelligence to transform its global supply chain. The initiative is designed to enhance operational efficiency and strengthen demand forecasting accuracy across global markets. By leveraging advanced analytics and automation, the company aims to optimize inventory and accelerate delivery timelines. This modernization effort highlights Pharma's commitment to competitiveness in an increasingly digital landscape. Zydus Lifesciences launches Anira, India's first indigenously developed biosimilar of aflibercept for advanced retinal diseases. Anira treats sight-threatening conditions, aiming to improve affordability and accessibility for patients requiring chronic therapy. Managing Director Sharvil Patel emphasized the company's commitment to expanding access to advanced biologic therapies. This milestone strengthens India's biosimilar ecosystem and advances the management of retinal diseases nationwide. That wraps up today's Biotech and Pharma briefing. Thank you for joining us for this healthcare and pharma news update series. This report is brought to you by Health IQ Plus. We'll continue to bring you credible, timely insights from across the world of medicine and life sciences. Until next time, stay informed and stay well.